I've had a lot of family members and friends get traffic tickets and traffic offenses over the years, but it was only recent that I got one myself, and I don't really know what to do about it. So I'm kind of looking for some advice.
Thank you. So, thank you very much for that question. So, a civilian has a question regarding that. If you get a traffic ticket, what do you do with it? So, I have few traffic tickets in front of me. I can show it to our camera. So there is one traffic ticket. This is a standard. Then there's another traffic ticket. You can call it traffic ticket for the public to understand. It's called summons. Summons is slightly a serious matter, but let's just say if you get a traffic ticket, which is red light, you cross the red light, right? So if you look at the back of your ticket, there are three options a person has. You can plead guilty, which means you don't have to go to do anything about it. Just go there, pay. On this ticket, it is a $155 fine. It was an individual was driving the car while having a handheld communication device in hand. So the second option you have is early resolution, which means you will set up a meeting so you can talk to the prosecutor, see what you can do yourself without doing anything, which means without hiring a lawyer or paralegal. And the third option you have is you set it for a trial. So trial, prosecutor meeting, or you plead guilty straight out of court and get it over with it. Now, when you plead guilty to the first option, it means you will get convicted, you will get a 3 demerit points for red light, and you will pay a fine, and it will appear on your driving abstract. So that is one option you did. Second option means, for example, if it is a red light, which is 3 demerit points, you don't want that. It is a little bit penalty, or it can create problem for your insurance. So what you do with that is when you speak with the prosecutor, you can say, can we lower it down? Which means from 3 demerit points, can we bring it down to 2 demerit points, or is 0 demerit points? However, if they give you a deal or an offer and you do agree for that, if there are any demerit points levied with the second offer, which means something lower, you will still get a conviction. You will still remain 2 demerit points instead of 3, and it will still appear on your driving abstract. Now, number 3, it says trial options, which means after you deposit your ticket, you wait for the trial date to come in the mail. It will come to your mail. It will say you have your trial on this day in this room, and that's it. So you have to come on that day. Usually in Kitchener-Waterloo, it is around about 9 a.m. the court opens up, 10 a.m., 9, 10, something like that. So before you go for your trial, you need to get disclosure. I have a disclosure here. It's pieces of paper. It has the charge, a copy of your charge, information about your charge and you, then a little synopsis of the police report or the police officer, what they wrote, and a little notes and a picture or a diagram of the motor vehicle collision report. So this traffic ticket disclosure that I'm holding has the entire evidence or discovery against you by the police or the prosecutor that they're going to use against you in the court of law. So when you get this disclosure, you're going to prepare yourself, get some case laws going, get some case laws printed, and then you can go on your trial date and fight your own traffic ticket. Now, if you require a paralegal, that is a different matter. You have to call certain paralegal people, ask them some questions, and obviously paralegal will charge you. So for approximately, say for a red light, people usually charge, or paralegal companies charge about $400 to $500, maybe sometimes $300. So these are the steps you need to take. And if you want further information regarding this, you can give me a call, 519-616-9050. And this was an education moment where how do you fight your traffic ticket in court of law. So that was a good information, a very good question from our citizen that came to our radio show. We appreciate that and thank you very much. getting to the next